marry,
결혼하다,
divorce,
이혼하다,
break up,
헤어지다,
turn, rotate,
돌리다,
go and find,
찾아가다,
come and find,
찾아오다,
stretch out, crash on,
뻗다,
construct, build,
건설하다,
crumble,
부서지다,
dig,
파다,
save, rescue,
살리다,
take care of,
돌보다,
inform, let someone know,
알리다,
warn,
경고하다,
consider,
고려하다,
doubt,
의심하다,
be empty,
비다,
be pierced, cleared,
뚫리다,
achieve, accomplish,
이루다,
shorten, reduce,
단축하다,
use, make use of,
이용하다,
utilize, make use of,
활용하다,
trim, refine,
다듬다,
catch, fish,
낚다,
experience, go through,
겪다,
live, get by,
살아가다,
be confused,
헷갈리다,
try to decide,
고민하다,
focus, concentrate on,
집중하다,
discuss, consult,
의논하다,
consult, discuss,
상의하다,
misunderstand,
오해하다,
mistake, misunderstand,
착각하다,
notice, realize,
알아차리다,
realize,
깨닫다,
persuade,
설득하다,
convince, persuade,
납득시키다,
lead, guide,
이끌다,
induce, lead,
유도하다,
measure, length, weight, etc.
재다,
discuss, debate,
논의하다,
debate, argue,
논쟁하다,
rebel, resist,
반항하다,
tempt, seduce,
유혹하다,
be absorbed in, concentrated on,
열중하다,
immerse oneself, focus deeply,
몰입하다,
evaluate, assess,
평가하다,
enjoy, relish,
누리다,
know in advance,
미리 알다,
predict, forecast,
예측하다,
be sure, convinced,
확신하다,
guess, estimate,
추정하다,
point out, criticize.
지적하다,
Resume, restart.
재개하다,
Get better, improve.
좋아지다,